Welcome to Marine Biology officially. I wanted to give you a little video in case you didn't make it to registration so that we can go through kind of what's going to be required in this course and maybe some materials that you need to get started. Okay, so I've seen that some of you have gotten into the course and actually submitted some of your assignments, but just in case, what you would do on this main screen is start with that introduction tab, or you can go to the left and actually click modules. So we'll go ahead and click introduction. This opens up all of your modules and you will literally start here. So you can go through in the Welcome to Marine Biology. This is where this video is located, of course, so you've found that. And you can go through the syllabus. So to just highlight some important things about the syllabus, all of your assignments will be due Sunday at 11:59, so basically right before midnight. So realize that since we had a shaky start to this first week with Canvas, all of your week 1 and all of your week 2 assignments will be due by the 14th. So that's one change that I've made, and those due dates are reflected in the modules. Okay. If you have a question at any point in time, there's another link that you can click on. I'll be checking that regularly, or you can just email me or find me at school to get answers to your questions. Okay, to make sure that everyone can check into the course, you will just complete the welcome discussion. So you'll see that I like it, or that I kind of put a little dot beside it whenever I've checked it and graded it. And then you have just a fun, silly assignment to do that will be due by the 14th. So you just have to pick an organism that you think kind of mirrors your personality. So you can do a little bit of research on that and have some fun with that one. When you're ready, you'll start with the next module. So this is actually some marine biology topics. Okay, so Unit 1 will be about the ocean's origins. And this is divided into Week 1 and Week 2, which hasn't been published yet, but I will be publishing that before the weekend. So this whole module now is due by the 14th. Okay, it sounds like it's kind of far away, but I would kind of pace this out and start getting some of the requirements done. Okay, so when you're ready to start Week 1, you click on the overview. Okay, so it tells you we're talking about plate tectonics. It will give you some background information and some questions to kind of think about. The objectives tell you what you're going to learn, or what you should learn by the time you're finished. And our awesome vocabulary is back, okay, along with some reading material. So you'll need to pick a place where you want to write down the definitions for your vocabulary terms and take your notes for the reading. Okay, I'm not going to necessarily be here every time to instruct you, so this is self-guided. So pick either to write this into a notebook, whether it's spiral bound or whatever choice you want. It could be a Google Doc, it could be a Notability, but you'll basically just put the topic that you're learning about, write out your definitions, and then take notes over the reading material. Okay, realize that I will collect this randomly. So I might just contact you and say, hey, by this date, I need for you to send me your Google Doc of notes or your Notability of notes and definitions. Or maybe I'll say, hey, drop your spiral bound notebook by my room. I'm going to check it tonight. So keep up on this and don't let me catch you not getting it done. When you're ready to move on from that, the second page of each of your topics will include what you're going to do besides vocab and notes. Okay, so you'll have your action items. Okay, whether you're watching videos, whether you're participating in discussions, and then what assignments or essays you'll have to do. Okay, so all of these are assignment links if they're assignments. Your videos are located here, and then you have some your turn activities where you literally can click on this and add some information, just like I've done here. Okay, so we'll be able to see everyone's results once they get to that point. Okay. Then as you progress, you're finished with all of this Week 1 information, you can move on to Week 2, which again is due by the 14th. Okay, so you'll click through all of these assignments, assuming you have these done, and you'll move on to Week 2, and you'll complete that same situation again. So here we are, Week 2. So we're going to talk about divergent and convergent margins. You have your objectives and vocab terms. And then you have your action items on that second page and your turn activity. Okay, so it will just kind of repeat in that pattern. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.